Hi everyone, this is Dr. Law with your legal tidbit for today. Hi, this is Dr. Law with another installment of Everyday Legal Information. Today's topic, restraining orders. Now, restraining orders are a favorite plot point for about 1 million different sitcoms and soap operas. And the reality is, though, if you're either defending against one or you're seeking a restraining order, it's usually not so exciting. However, getting a restraining order isn't as difficult as you would think. If you've ever been threatened, stalked, or abused by someone and you want them out of your life, you can get a restraining order to keep them from doing anything so much as texting yourself. But it isn't a magic shield to stop all future abuses. Some people will still show a flagrant disregard for the law, even if they know by doing so, they'll spend a night, maybe 2, maybe 3, in the warm embrace of the legal system. And because the police can't hang out with you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in your kitchen while you're entertaining them with your witty stories and baking them delicious oatmeal cookies, it's still your job to call at the police and say, that sleazo is on my front lawn, come out and get them, they're violating the restraining order. But there's good news. Number one is that restraining orders are portable. Not MP3 portable, think of it more of like a titanium grade passport. No matter where you go, whether you're at your house or at the mall or even in another state, this restraining order goes with you. It's still a good idea, though, to carry a copy of the restraining order in your pocket, in your purse, so that if someone does, in fact, show up and violate that restraining order, and you have to call the cops, you have something to show them right away that that person over there should be sent away. Be careful. If you do get a restraining order, make sure you really want a restraining order, because it's difficult to reverse the process. Once that restraining order is signed, sealed, and delivered, and you want to change your mind, you can't just rip it up and say, oh, it's over. No. You have to go back into the court process and ask the judge, please, judge, reverse that. Do you think the judge is going to do it? Not all the time. They may think you're being threatened by the person you're trying to get the restraining order against, and may not even reverse your original restraining order. So think carefully before you flex your legal muscle and get that restraining order. That's it. I'm Dr. Law. If you need additional information on restraining orders or other legal matters, or you need to find an attorney, go to legalmatch.com.